Peppa and George. Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color Peppa and George. Let's grab our black markers and start drawing the outlines. We are going to start with George. His nose, his face, his eyes. Look at that big smile. He's got a winter hat and scarf. His arms, gloves, and his legs. Now it's Peppa's turn, with her hat, gloves, and winter scarf. Drawing and coloring is so fun, so join me, let's draw. Now it's time to color our beautiful drawing. Let's start with George's face. Let's color it pink. Look at that little cheek. Let's color that pink too. Now it's time to color his jacket. What color is good for George's jacket? How about blue? Yay, blue is great for George. And now brown for his pants. and black for his shoes. Now, let's use our gray color for shadings. George is ready. Now it's Peppa's turn. Let's start with pink. Kids, what do you think that Peppa and George are going to do? Maybe they are going to make a snowman. Let's color Peppa's cheek pink. And now it's time for her jacket. Let's color her jacket red. That's right, red. Wow, it's a beautiful color. Let's use light brown for her pants and black for her shoes. Finally, let's add a little gray shading. Yay! We did it! Wow! Peppa Pig! We are going to draw and color Peppa Pig. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with black and draw the main lines. Here, I'm drawing Peppa's nose. Eyes. Cheeks and a big smile. Her body. Her legs. And arms. She has an ice cream. Now let's draw Daddy Pig. His nose. His round face. His eyes. Oh, he's got glasses too. And a big round hat. smile, cheek, mustache. He is so funny. He's got an ice cream. Don't forget to draw his legs too. Here, I'm drawing a camera. That's right, a camera. Peppa and her daddy pig are eating a yummy ice cream. It's coloring time. Let's start with Peppa and use pink for her face. That's right, pink, because pigs are pink. Take your pink color and color with me. Here, I'm using a lighter pink for Peppa's cheek. What color is Peppa's dress? Oh, that's right, red. Great, Peppa loves the color red. And now, let's use brown for the ice cream cone. And yellow for the ice cream. That's right, yellow. A banana-flavored ice cream. Peppa loves it. Now it's Daddy Pig's turn. Let's start with his head and color his head and body pink. Great! Color with me. And then a lighter pink for his cheeks. Look here, a cool hat. Kids, let's use brown for Daddy Pig's hat. And orange for the band around it. Look at Daddy Pig's beautiful flowery shirt. Let's use blue for his shirt. And the flowers are orange. First, let's use our blue. Kids, you are doing an amazing job. Keep going. And now it's time to color the little flowers. Let's use our orange color. Now it's time for Daddy Pig's camera, kids. Let's use gray. Daddy Pig is going to take photos with that camera. Are we missing something? Oh, that's right! Daddy Pig's ice cream. Let's use brown for the ice cream cone and yellow. Just like Peppa's ice cream. Daddy Pig and Peppa are having the best time. And finally, let's add some shadows. Yes, we did it! We have a beautiful painting. Don't miss our next video. See you soon, my dears.